In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding images and media in Obsidian. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring images, videos, and other media into your notes using 3 simple methods, plus a quick way to add multiple files at once, and how Obsidian keeps your attachments organized for a clean vault. First up, drag and drop. Find the image or video on your computer, then drag it straight into the spot in your note where you want it to appear. When you drop it, Obsidian copies the file into your vault and instantly embeds it in the note. You'll see the internal embed link appear, and in preview or live preview, the media shows up right in place. This works great for common formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, MP4, and more, and it's one of the fastest ways to get visuals into your ideas. Next, paste from the clipboard. If you've copied an image from your browser or taken a screenshot, just press Ctrl+V or CMD+V inside your note. Obsidian will save the file to your vault automatically and create the embed link for you. This is especially handy for quick references, mockups, or screenshots you want to capture without hunting for files in your folders. If you prefer to be precise, you can type the embed link yourself, use an exclamation mark followed by double brackets, then the file name and close with double brackets. For example, exclamation, double left bracket, imagename.jpg, double right bracket. Obsidian often auto-detects the extension, so you can sometimes omit it and accept the autocomplete suggestion. This method is great when you already have the file in your vault and want to embed it exactly where you're typing. Need to add several files at once? In the Vault's file pane, right-click and choose Attach Files. Select multiple items and Obsidian will bring them in ready to be embedded. It's a smooth way to load a batch of assets for a project or a lecture note. To keep everything tidy, Obsidian can place attachments into a dedicated folder. This helps you maintain clean notes without loose files scattered across your vault. If you want to customize this, open Settings, go to Files and Links, and set the default location for new attachments to your preferred folder. From there, Obsidian will automatically route new images and media to that spot while your notes stay focused and clutter-free. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Obsidian tips and tutorials.